Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam. I'm Maria Luisa Bayudan, married. I have 3 children. My eldest is 22 years old. The second one is 14 years old. And the youngest is 8 years old. I live in Quezon City and I finished college with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration.
Okay. Just in case we have employer for you now and they want to know if it's okay for you, no day off for a week or even for a month due to some hectic schedule of their work, what can you say about it?
Yes, Madam, I'm willing to take no day off because it helps for me. I can earn money because the reason why I'm going to work abroad is just only to earn money.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Yeah, my work experience in Abu Dhabi, I do household chores and I
You take care.
taking care of the babies and taking care of the house.
The house. So it includes the cleaning.
Yeah, cleaning and washing the clothes. Sometimes they ask me to wash the car.
Okay. And do you have any more experiences abroad?
Yeah, I work also in Brunei, Dar es Salaam. My work experience there is 1 year. My duties and responsibilities there is also cleaning the house and also taking care of the old men.
Old men.
Yeah.
How many?
They are 3, but the only one I just only take care of this one.
The only one per the other one elderly.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, Madam. Because I have also children and with my 3 children I also taking care of them.
Okay. And who will be the one to take care of your children when you go to work in Hong Kong?
My mother-in-law and my sister-in-law.
Your sister-in-law. Okay. And how can you manage your homesick?
I keep doing busy with myself and just only keep on praying.
Okay, and doing household, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Can you handle taking care of naughty children?
Yes, Madam. I can teach them good values and I can read them stories.
Okay. Do you know some children's songs?
Yes, Madam.
Can you sing a simple English song?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you guide and sing with me?
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know Filipino dish, but I am willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Of course, Madam, because it's help for me so that we can easily communicate.
Yes, especially the old member of the family.
Yes, Madam.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I need to support my family and I have children to support for their studying.
Yes. Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Yes, Madam. If you choose me, I will promise you that I will finish my 2 years contract. And if you want me and you need me, I can stay longer to serve you. And I will promise you that I will be obedient, trustworthy, and I want as much as I want to make you happy for my job.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam.